if we're talking about aggregation, aggregation is just a weaker form of composition. So for example here, human has two hands, so most probably gonna be like he hands, which is gonna be array of hand, or array of hands, which is gonna be new hands of size 2, because you're gonna be having two hands. So here you're gonna be having like some independent list from the hands, and instead of creating it here, you can create it like in the constructor. So you can create a constructor and you're gonna be passing this hand. But in this example you will only have hands. So what happens if you're having hairs? So let's say you're having here, and here is on like there is no fixed size for here, so you're gonna be not need an array, you're gonna need an array list of here. So we're gonna do a new array list. So now this is you have a new array list over here. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna be passing it here to be list of here, and which is here, and you're gonna be this here's equal to here. So this is now aggregation. You're passing it in a weaker form of composition. This is also good and you can use it. Also this is one is independent. So let's create a new class just for here, because I don't like this kind of compilation error. I'm gonna do this here, and I don't really want to have anything related. So why do I need this? There is no arg constructor. Yeah, let's just remove the child now. I don't really need it. So now we have list for this one here, and yeah, this is just a weaker form of composition, but that's basically it. It's both of them are composition in a weak form and strong form. For example, do hand, you need specifically this one to do something, but for the weak for the aggregation, you're passing it through the scope of the class, which basically mean, hey, you have those, you can use them independently to do some kind of other stuff.